I thought this project was going to take me about 3 days. It ended up taking me about 10. Hi, I'm Pat and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to build a faux shiplap fireplace. I'm going to transform my living room from this into this. So keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. One of my friends sent me this picture here, and I thought, that doesn't look that hard. I'm sure I can build that too. So I got a piece of paper and a pen and I started drawing up the frame. So then I went off to Rona to get some lumber for the frame, and I used 2x4s. So then I used a circular saw and cut the 2x4s into the right lengths to start building the frame. So then I got plywood, and I got the plywood cut to the right sizes and started attaching that onto the fireplace. Okay, so as you can see, I have the plywood on the frame now. So the next step is going to be measuring the wall behind it for the shiplap, because I'm going to do shiplap behind the TV and also matching on the front of the fireplace. So keep watching and we'll transform this wall. have the plywood up on the wall behind me. The next step is to get the sanded plywood that I'm going to use for shiplap boards. So I have the sanded plywood here, and I've started cutting it into the right size because it's going to be the facing on the fireplace and also the wall behind it. So I have these planks all cut to fit up there, like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint just some lines on the wall where the cracks between the boards are, so you won't see the wood color show through. So that's the next step, and then I'll get to putting the boards up, and then I'll get to painting. You just need to give the boards a little bit of a sanding on the edges to make sure they're nice and smooth, and I have tile spacers to get the distance. A lot of people have used pennies or nickels, but the tile spacers is what I chose to use. Because everything is built out of plywood, you want to make sure that you do a good layer of primer because it'll really soak up the paint before you paint it the final color that you choose. Okay, so that's part one of my two-part tutorial on how to build a faux shiplap fireplace. So make sure you check out the description down below for the link for part two. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, you can find me on Twitter and Instagram. The links are down below. And I'll see you in part two. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi, I'm Pat and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second of a two-part video series of me building a faux shiplap fireplace. Oh, so it's really important that you prime everything before. Alright, let's get to finishing off this faux fireplace build.